Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger license plate light. Start by opening the trunk and locating the license plate lamp housing on the rear bumper. Remove 2 screws with a 9mm socket or screwdriver, then gently pull the housing free. Disconnect the wiring connector, twist out the old bulb, and replace it with a new bulb. Reconnect the wiring, reattach the housing, and test the light before closing the trunk. Begin by removing the housing screws and easing the housing out without forcing it. Keep track of screws and clips to avoid losing small parts during the process. Unplug the wiring connector by pressing the tab and pulling firmly, but gently. Remove the old bulb by twisting and pulling, taking care not to touch the glass of the replacement bulb. Handle everything carefully to keep connections clean and secure for a reliable light. Install the new bulb by aligning it to the socket and twisting until it locks into position. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks securely, then gently push the housing back into place, aligning any tabs or clips. Replace the screws and tighten them snugly, but avoid over-tightening to protect the housing. Finally, turn on the lights to confirm the plate illuminates properly and everything fits flush against the bumper for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.